Wow, look at that. Okay, we are recording on both of these things. All right, ladies and gents. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to make business cards for your business in 2022. A quick, simple, easy, and free way at that. So you have the option to either download it and just print it off as normal, and then you can laminate it and go that route, or you can create the design here and then later on send it into an actual manufacturer, something like Vistaprint, and then they can create cards for you that'll come out looking like this one here. Wow. As you can see, I got a couple of things written on there, a couple of ideas there, but they can come out like this. Now, I create all of my business cards and just all of my logos, any presentations, anything on Canva. Canva.com is a pretty much a great site if you just need to throw up and make something really quickly. So what we are going to do is, let's just hop right into it. I've already created one, but I want to show you guys how to really do it from scratch. So we're going to click Create Design, go to Business Card. It's going to populate a new tab for us. Now it's going to be blank. Boom, just blank. Now what I would like to do is, I already have a couple of things uploaded just from the last time I did create this. Wow. So throw up the little guy poof. Who did I have next to him? Do my signs. Did he go? Signs. Oos. Oos, get me loose. Oos. Zordo. And my boy Chop Chop. Alright, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is going on? It looks like a lot. Hold on. Okay, so I don't like the chopper one just because it didn't upload how I wanted it to. It's a little bit, so we do that. It is a little bit cut off. So what I'm doing now is I at least have about 5 characters now. And so what I'll do, I'll scroll over, grab it, and then try to adjust them to roughly about the same size. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. We'll make him a little bit bigger. Wow. All right, that's perfect. Okay, receive something on, what's it called? Receive something on Facebook. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click it, and I'm going to move this to the front if I can. Oh, okay, so I can't right now, at least. Let me try it again. We'll bring it all the way to the front if we can. That way it'll be a little bit bigger. The position, forward, align to the page, left, left, left. Okay, so now you see he's in front. Or Luffy, same thing. We're going to scroll and make him the same size roughly. However, since that's the main character, we're going to make them just a little bit bigger. So now we're doing our Zoro. Zoro is thick. That man is thick. Boom, that's beautiful. Make you smaller a little bit. You can't be bigger than the main character. And then last, we'll do our boy Chop. Eating his cotton candy over there. Looking out cute. Okay, so now that we got him, what I want to do, I'll make him just a smidge smaller. Bow. Put it over here towards the corner. And I believe I am recording. Put Zoro over a little bit. However, we will put Chopper into the foreground. Oh, nope. We don't want to do that. So we'll send him back. Put Zoro up. Slide Zoro over a smidge. Put Chopper up a little bit like that. Zoro over a little. I don't want Zoro's sword to cover too much of Chop there. So now what I'm going to do, bring Luffy forward again. Is he all the way forward? Boom, that's beautiful. Let me slide them over that way I can grab signs. Okay. You know what? Let's make him just a smidge smaller. I know what you're thinking right now. It's like, goodness gracious, dude, what are you doing? All you doing is just, hold up, there we go. But I don't want them too close together like that. So that'll be good. Since chop over a smidge. Now we can put my boy Sanji up. You see that? Now it's starting to come together. You can kind of see like what I'm going for here. I'm gonna slide him up just a little bit more to match Chopper. Boom, beautiful. Okay, so it's kind of like a nice little V there, or a U-ish formation. Make him bigger just a little bit more. But I do want Sanji's. You know what? You might not be able to get every single attribute of everybody. Like, you know, Usopp has his slingshot in his hand. My boy Sanji has the frying pan. So I don't want to cut off too much. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to go to elements because I want a border around there. So recently used, you see it propped up as white. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll over to my color palette. And because my theme is red there, I'm going to highlight it, make it a lot bigger, kind of the same length. And then we're going to scroll all the way down and make it a tiny. I sound like Timmy. A tiny border there. And I'm going to do that 3 more times around the entirety of the around the entirety of bow. Okay. Come on. There we go. And I'm gonna try to make this quicker because, like I said, I only have about roughly 10 minutes until I find a better streaming service or recording service. Scrolling up, and I'm using Bandai here. And then we'll do that one more time. Now, granted, I could have just copied each one, you know, just copied it and then just made another one, as opposed to going all the way back to elements and doing it that way. Okay, so you see we got our border now. Now it's time to add in some text. So we will do a subtext. We'll say monkey be poofy bow. All right, make that a little bit bigger, throw it down right here. And then I like to use gangland or gagaland for all of my things. Move that there a little bit. So I'm going to have to make them just a smidge smaller, Monkey be poofy. And then we will scroll over to my Etsy. I'm going to snag this right here, kind of our tagline, home of the poofiest anime characters around. Go back to my Canva. We're going to add in another subheading, bow, drop that there. Drop her down a smidge to right here. Yep, so that is what I want to do. I want to make these guys a little bit smaller just so I can have more surface area when it comes to bow. Whoa, it might have been too much. Move him up and over. Same thing, up, over. Same thing, up, middle, a little bit lower, up, over, up, over. All right, so now we can add this up. There we go. I don't want it too close. There we go. Move that there. Once again, make everything uniform. But, however, we will keep this one in black. So now, let's add in the socials. Looks like we are at roughly at our mark. So we'll say TikTok. You know what? I'll make a part 2. Yeah, I'll make a part 2. So we're going to end this right here and then come back.